sulang Salvador, malungil total merkauma. Radra media, may magsubes nga katala, sual mol. May etelak nga makmulu sa voice nga malsumo ka mo, badapteva, aldada ake magsubes. May kumtiyan nga minister baklay, tamangil Chilton, maol grill. Domurta press conference ngide mal kususray badul ma-reclaim abilong ma-reclaim marugul marmasiltial borwadra ablur belaw direct mar other belaw Lawrence satial press conference ngide ay alsel Michael belaw Salvador right off the bat itiyang a celebration of independence day gider roguil albelau we are all part of the progress ma gelguk umrole lablur bela regal may marakal may mak tingut te alle emal mutal congratulate roguil albelau el sabedat makal mara le guk lang wa luim ay marak ilbatoka amle omot maklel mauldas wil kirel tial Independence Day gid makti modulia maklela Vice President oilo elnya amle co-chair tial omot moklam di ng tangte nga gida Minister Chilton ng atiam before I go further by sa tial nganya ako swal mokmo ma reflections ng kirela Eli ma talbang le elo ay sige Minister
malungil total president ngit total mo beklada netun in al total press conference akti so al mga solar beklada no sa il gut maklia ay gagidele tial Independence Day git 25th Independence Day celebration git other belarugui so al din mutulo sing ay gidele lo present la sing Independence Day git other belarugui ma Tiamula se será el gotolo mura Augustra tabadela Miss Independence el melmutra elira kapsingay ro mo hanabil celebrate tra October 1 kadam lot madangel wa se Aurelia other vela umral nga kaltare nga mangil lurior mo umrura dalong ledeleng nguloti se gidel clamaria renga gidel nga ledal sabalwado mang so kaldio ay salwa sing malme batoka volunteers mar sponsors mar bekla adal المرال من تمك العيال من البتوغل وريال من الرنيمة أربك الأذى ديوم غضون الميل واساليا أباس عليا غومي عليا سواء جيدا أدغاين سيرين البك الأذى من تمك المغضوم مثلا أوكي جيدا بريزيدنت المال من يومي لارنجيدا عيال لمرولي المي ما عيال ميتين التير ما أسنجلا أسنجير المرال أذر بيلا ومجيدا أذر بيلا المادة تمويل البلغام أوكي Independence Day regal sel matmokol dia imorir ma really ada government ngoya ka batokol sponsors mga mil ada media ma volunteers ma batokol ada involved o mga maklel tialurior altang amloringa talgibel gora bebira tay mga ngangas nga sila urior ndi gida mo uktiregal mo umrole laklisi da sube uk malisi ay Maktiyamu la sel Miss Independence manipto ka adal mga tmok karingi particularly Palau Chamber of Commerce mga business industry mga ramayong cultural center Miss Kira Basel dire kan mga cocktail reception ra museum masel string band may gagi dele festival of music festival na ngi Ermul Park el Bangela parade malmne clubo leungila kadamila sakme dal nga 12 balban de president ra ngal garbela ne performance el time Manang asulela igel exhibition ra Olvira Kalulaw ma Civic Center ay ngaringil malmol mal exhibition makmalol ngitra other vela wase dolmol elagi ra bay start ra October 25th anniversary other vela so celebrate ela year 25th year malungil igel exhibition do mesa siasing ra adra milngat mo krityal government igel mela makmal mga lera nga ka school marbeklaan visit tra Capitol hotel lobby sa gida mo sa igal exhibition nga ringi morsel softball tournament mang malmere nga sulir other rogoy of course sa security ba direct nila champion ma obi ang ngilwa tele MVP sel albadela Frank Yotal mo ringin man nemring ng madiro market night adakal sa amalgut makli without the help of PVA mar sponsors at team matigal other tourism industry boat race akademi sa result boat race man yung ilayang maral mi klabo laigel dingi sale ngarse ma you can really see osengedra maisu ma okeano saigel lomrole the other velal raira al may kadul mesra al sela awrele the maklokle dul olta other velal maigal speedboat racing manepto ka sponsors ma ada medial marcelo ngasera bekladam minanga sulela direct governor raira ma state for those venues nangi tial go visitor adal mablilio sa 75th anniversary rigidam kadire kalmeranga sulela governor mablilio ma adal mablilio no sabil gut maklisel guk mlenga alera adal velal girela 75th anniversary aparal of pelilio mablur velal dizerm akti kalmeranga sulela adra ya so akasus ngai independence until of daigal galela blura bela rogul tobra 4 o'clock almar okya gidam adal bela roguima pero nga sulir ada state rogul no se ir el lol nga se gider se gider el dinero gider akasusra hanabi mere nga sulir rogul drivers tomar batokar volunteers al drivers at tigal okya gid I think we dinner Palau Pacific Resort tamlo over at 300 al ada mera dinner so kada mere nga sulir PPR no se ir accommodate ay need se gider say marbatokal sponsors gider gibom agad more top da thank you message mar other ogu personally gada maluus mar othering tigal sa other gut maklangal aled without the help sponsors the police did an excellent job rasus tial role la traffic ibar adam le enjoy mendim la gora mal impatient adal morably they enjoy the Independence Day dikmal mga sular parents most of il ngoy tutrang agir maskul al tutaw it's a big celebration for us but we also have to continue nga igilguk nga aleda next day again president happy Independence Day mar bekla agi mal mga sular other rogoy mar other belawol most of edalt mga rogoy mar celebrate lomu ra kasus elang continue elal for the next whole year 25th anniversary kita ada bela ko man
sulang ministere o kamitir ko mar planners kabila na media message malso kalu hospital al dulia waseng oy ga gidan mo klolong club say ma celebration ma festivities ada kal sabel di kabalmente utmok lang niya partnership sa mga ngulsuri arbeklad sponsors marda milongoy tawdo ma waya Taiwan el biskita ilak ludo del girela hanabi Michael expenses dia kaludo del belaw ma direct dia kadil efforts gida blue belaw tamal to our friends my partners in lay selbol mere ko ay giden gida del timre ma saul the blol pangitange se selbol mere ko dobes lo asingariat Gagray man McCloud partners el man le ulay gal bibil adra media mag direct le partera promotion ni rulitial program mo successful makman berenga suli and then I understand the minister tamle nga ogim madrangil ambassador samlay ma rumte kabelment tir so that's not a small thing go celebrate independence sergi they are friends blur bela kami I think siya tara direct gire dal madaswar malaswar mereng asuli retirgel mle umte kabelment til direct al partner gira gal na momrek 25 years en batokange sura klakadal maudo the partnership mlo ule kada omrolel bela mlo ay tagi dal alsil so Aigel message el dirirengs kabil adra media ngora ma kadwa take for granted ending ngania baby rablu blad borni ngania ungit club setir idakal sabela president rablu ramrigel mulu usul mortir maluba Prime Minister Blura Siabal, malubeng President ra Taiwan, malubeng President ra Baby Rablu. Magardire ka mo aswari mereng asaw lara arun te government tir ladi lol turok ra ambassador tir ta actually termula message me other belau aktire ke malom te ergi de kadam mereng asuli ra gel government lotki belar oi te gi del sil sergi de finally kami lara media ang manep to kawil to mildong gel aladara klaya mal lewtabangal caller klay la Senate President Luntera Olvira Lulaw direct mal gel aladala Governor Temis Mul direct Luntera Governors baby that time kadala mo direct lukura mo take for granted gel iwsel alda driti galaan di independence sa BLD Tora Babier al sukum ndi kadrula gel girel kat magil mang akmotlo era gida other belau el mutal mal mal ergit ya maklat kalgida wasi alia kida ul magdum lo dogurits gida ngari ilyak tigingef tor belau kida ngari ilyak syukang ergit ngari ilyak el dreder gida rabluan lo algum gardi war bebi rar aden de kad dogurits len kada balwa kada blurak mo kada adrirak mo tubatang malu kada partrang aral bulu di segid rulid moria identity gid se rulid mas o tiga de kal la adra martial tiga de kal adra FSM tiga adra belaw leng ilyak la suka ngerti ilyak la tigingir ilyak la a community effort sa tira ba almat mokra bluriri da surak lugu kortir ay gigi damra ruli da mo independent man akti seguida koram le message sergi da mi anada medial mlarsia la direct akil butul duli elang lo sa independence adia kal kora kabakil toy pero tergida lucia babier e pero tergida celebratory di sel klugu gara ngalgeda by maklok tutelel girela independence sel komil sangel buigel man saul leng game le elra October 1st 1994 ma eli mal rungol LUMA margil close ad young adult I'm sure auswera independence aswal ngaria meaning el morngi yom da surar ngalgel om da sar ngalgira ngalgel el wasang guk 25 years from now in mo kele grandchild ko le kaso lang klela aguk mlele la rak ma kumdes tapto karangal kumlele la rak 25 years from now and what will be the world for them 25 years from now sige dia abil gula independence el koradi ko klat kring Maria karbi ul girela kal ko korab lam dung ma gira independence gid mal uwen comments kada kasi sa aklaman na pekra ka dibl all dilungin
Malungin tutaw presidente akti question nga ka relate mo regel meldong or eli sel aldadala high chief proclaim le highlight tegel baby key successes for last of 25 years independence circuit a question le post in other forums awa saying nga baby our specific accomplishments el Balur Belaw la realize the last 25 years because of our compact of association agreement. Sige da ko question no saying ari nga ko ra yun ang ari ako stand out because of the compact.
Tila malhebil gergere reply but to me ako tel contribution a compact tel mera Balur Belaw ra independence git say del security ma stability ra Balur Belaw el sabe del wasega de salila merigel men dia ka au legal el mergi ma la ra malubeng korang kais ambrung ulit tokoil sa BLB. Remember, bato ka makamadra blul adra elal ngarira bay maklol bulu maklasay sigir belaw hindi ang military still defend themselves. Mang blol marala conflicts sa neighboring countries within those countries. Sigidal stability protection provider niya Miguel under the compact kung dasyon taramatlo stabilizing factor maluwen success at yal lumro level main. And then we can talk about kuktora partnership bergida at kora guru, at kora school, at kora foreign affairs. Kadablo old mak kina mamrigel o si krolela tokol to yung happen and may mang. Yes, tial relationship bergida mablura mamrigel waigel mildung eli. Macreosal relationship. Tiram legot blur ablul other recognize ra independence give atari mai it's a given fact was belawa stand side by side ra. That's why Amerigela mal brenga suledra ngalged nga military si amle message ra at Trump mergid lo si komal musaw lar ngalgiul stand side by side lo buntir ngal ra Amerigela kadam rula sa aklat ko ra democracy at kora Buddha stability til region I do have one comment tiang which hindi kalbal barot lakmla mudura Amerikel was a relationship gida di kadil all di ngara government to government aluwen mudaw del ngaseur gida nga sabela investment in the private sector Amerikel el diregal merweb terbela el diregal nguswir ti klaus alergid mang se black telin mortir mang legal maral miracle we hope yang mosbel ngani beto ka investment tra Amerikel do es ngara ku private sector ma regidalen it will really help also mangapin. Okay dia dilungil gun dia mere edbora ongerul el announcement el somam el megerni ma me olgril kung ngiter kabral mutilale di aktilal mutilal bil sangem el ngul mertel tiagi de kamil adra media amlo tiagi da madol maluben teletelel sel dial el bolo mskida agabelmentra Australia man sakal dimo lulba ambassador tirel mer tiagi del Ambassador Fraser, Lieutenant Commander Clint Moore, join el celebration ng 25th anniversary. Yung Aysen mergida der belaw lo aset yang kadamla ko ngay loban tri lo asang clear tial namo remeli 2. El sel 1 namo retire. Sel 1 el sel elal February en yamra el mura Australia labong en mo Michael Cora historical parts of tial en mo o scrap mo tomo torudi piece by piece en guk mo recycle del mura di tiagi del besilial abodungura June next year. In time el mora sil our ocean conference mo el partra hook ocean patroller give example ra a partnership give ablura Australia tiang akakar niya ang 2 million el US Australian dollars dungul mo do dram rigel ang 20 million aral telgibel kamang tra remli kwan it's about 139 feet aklam ngatel or maybe 30 feet longer malubeng kamang tertial remli kwan ngaringi reverse osmosis ngartial dial au crole la toraral endio mon brada bel mem el til moral Marcel Loral patrol malubing gukmara Southwest Islands and directly sa BL help will provide realm service to tial Gora mo emotional mo nila si term li ko na bol retiring next year February 20 mo rung 24 years milada media radot mo legal may that says two things to me ako teng tigal buy galongara regal tial la mil leungil motmok over the years Aria bebira o sisiul ngesum la bebira blue egel dilira gegeder al matamal makloon malgorgi lo segida mle ul mla meu da besel diller me gil gukman longil matbok ram le mutil diller bang 24 years later kada kodong abes hindi segidia tara wil isela bulur bela los pe akla le wil matmok ngi o tutia mokte ngi bacterial mal mesti acreditar adra Aparaw Marine Law Enforcement Division tigelong ratial remeli kwan di seguida anticipation regil ko mangir tay gidal remeli 2 el era ngura June next year em la moria training ma al mutal kaya crew niya nga 16 na lang crew niya but it can take up to about 25 people mal state of the art bagarur te mararam ede dakalong alu alwa bebira bilas mang digum tergi de el bekla de direct do otia omreng sauler gi del mara ablura Australia el gukmlel dinger gi de tiagida awil aisra status tial dial el bodolangi and then sel last ngara aisel sa kan most tial press conference gi de kamilana media mo aisa tialom role del Mlora United Nations General Assembly emblo orinya tele del on the side agel do asen bilateral sirgi agel meeting irgi ma agal bebi rablulad et mle announce agel wal mulsurir el mel ngasir belar el almaral mel ocean conference next year ma koteng kamilada median sakal officially announce elwasya a day tra our ocean conference amo August 17 ma 18 ra ablur bela ora next year say agigidam la motorhokl official dates malbetoka aradal la all takla maria rengertir el merbela tial our ocean conference tial amo hotel international conference atora ocean el hostria mal gegrel belura blulat obviously limited ada role la dalang okla hindi gida dia kabo di dunga asmarela belur bela ulen se edan malara telal el me kada mal mo korgik malil tirgel adal lamay en ngaria awil kay kakartir ngaria awil announcement ngaria awil initiative ngaria awil program el tira sabil share lo asega gida bodo ongot mokla en moklong yolel masabaklela atora ocean amatora daw tiagid el ocean kami ladra media amalmol mlambo blagatak wasing close to tell issue lakal sabedan masadar wa climate change atal malela climate change ela kado sa dra direct el status ma saba akrgid el girela atora daw it's linked ocean direct lakal sa da atora awil hel dra badngem ya daw bel talmal legado mala kaledra daw kada mala income gida economy gidra daw dalang kleda ultoy ra daw ay gidia more and more en ngosngela blulad el mo daw esel bol daw gidel magegre el blura wa belaw ma pacific al tam gegre ebelwad indi gegre ut indi klo adabet el Magulmo ko bronzid al malkol was gida amrania dia kada small island states. Kada direct sabedo was we're a large ocean state. Le dabela blur belao maklungila dabela blur belao aku klora blura Texas. Gidia abebira reality. El Ruliti al Ocean Conference next year mumoklaw tuteler adamel lo meslo asegid el gup maklongar aler dalam tabela daw. Marakadam larmul el girela asab aklel ma umat maklela tora daw. Marakadam larmul girela ocean pollution. Marakadam larmul girela illegal fishing. Marakadam larmul girela research raw aisa. Marakadam larmul el girela income ra adel base ra uspa lela daw. Ay gidia amo bebira toldo sa maraka nga brul ad nga mo brul girela tial dol al dimral merbab magid tial la mesa serse da madalang clear adan matebra adaw bal meral merma maraka mormul el girela a coral bleaching kodo mesa klal dra temperature adaw bal mlatomlia Great Barrier Reef ra Australia 65% ra al-Mallela Australia Great Barrier Reef amlam tamal because of global warming ra temperature ra mung abela korangal tangatel el dirga selva akle dirga resilient tap klol de bela blur bela ke gida doctor manang kolbu el taramo o scientist ra brulangal mo mga dadur tial conference kada proud ng il ngalgel belaw mo sabi el share lase what are we doing in Palau el direct sabi el share lo bentri ra bebira blul mi ma aktingul mertiang gagira bebira direct sa report lo ase tial el hosting ergida direct na stata ablul adlo mesringi mang sakala announce lo ase Norway amon nga share tial press conference ra $550,000 mang la sa edel mega public announcement del girel ayu US United States government amol ng seora edel dartel telal el lobengela bebira klakadal ra tokora security gela sen security equipment Australia amla kami telon ng seor gidra 500,000 India blura India amla kami telon ng seor gidra $1 million el niya mo sabi el mokla ay gel el side event el rooms especially a PCC et yaludo da mo ugut mokla ay gel el classroom aluben facilities ra PCC mung kodos pe side meetings alora al ading malmol mal permanent club kalela a PCC a New Zealand amla kamit mo ng seora 750,000 el mo focus at yaludaw da mo gut maklit yal mo utro albira kululaw e seguide amo Pacific Pavilion Center ay gel showcase ra avec el balura Pacific amo spare seguid mo kloludaw del selbuk pol mare ket yal mo utro albira kululaw am lal mo tel mo o ngari ay gel el lungil bus pa le del malmol malo spare nga balura bela Taiwan am la kamita $3 million el chlorine telurior adongelo asen mom sa akra omrelela gymnasium tial gymmergide gide tial ngal tangatel dirga milses ba gida da ngal tangatel milses ba ngal tangatel wasen mlamses ba di ministera rulia plan el mo ay mo sa el gadil renovate nsumok la gide el wal mil tamal because tial ses ba Nippon Foundation sa Sakawa Peace Foundation amla kabita $2 million el direct mo ol nga seol conduct substance ma logistics at tial conference Blura Serbia direct mo sebel kamita $600,000 el direct mo nga seora implement sa plan ra minister Baklay el wase dreli tial gym ma abol merek tial Ocean Conference bod host ra mini South Pacific Games ra 2025 kaltmok el direct sa bedel host Indonesia direct tiay gida lombro lil metam le announce ra $1 million el direct mel nga seortian el conference Um, finally, akna Serbia. O Serbia kami tan 600,000 kami. Tamakot tan kita 300,000 ya additional 300,000 na amel ko kirela bebira to. Mung tolo daw din di tiagida so akal mo makatakling. Abela ang direct na saying agreement lovangela UNAPS United Nations Office of Project Services. Tiagidia clora galudod at tira mong may galudod eoltau ta ay gid lurior lovangel tial kamitir gidra our ocean conference meng direct luul mungila doro lovangela UNAPS ngarinya accountability ay galudod may galbelu mo clorin rir lo asing selbon mereka tial our ocean conference ngarinya will report ma will omsodel el morar adelo miskila ay galudod mandia ka ditangal el mera finance lulamra amra tokludo de dolab el koradi ayegid el mokteger gid hablat adu gid ma UNAPS saying agreement lo obentrir tirgegi amo wal project implementation agency el lawyer timtial guk kamitir gidra our ocean conference el members niya ministers ma umarang imateng aguk project coordinator lom tera blubelau timtigel adal tial officer gidra our ocean conference again akti gira na mo sabay dal announce enya dir ka kada mangila commitment try ma announcement try gel guk pelu dir ka announce wasyabal mutel bebir blue amla indicate wasit mo lungasew hindi ka kan sabay dal mo publicly daw ay sa sing klungelang surir tiregal mutal tial lemela sulela officer gidra embassy United Nations material staff dadang arsay ngariya dadang al karbela wa umbrang am latiang emlora UN gidel el partra UNGA General Assembly pemlo sabil el kainseu matmok lay gidel meetings el lariya al dadu ngobkatak lay gidel toil mergidra ang SMR blurbela. So we'll keep on continuing an update trarbekla tra gayid el ngeso hindi the bola la statal maran gimiam dangle el al October Norway mo hosting direct Morio Ombrole de Salvador el mora Norway el al longotru el buil el guk mora a Norway es el bon Brexel our ocean conference ito formally hoy día batong el mergid record marugul to guk mergid ito guk mo aled el motmok el girela next year August 2020 agigida kuk sabay del report na ngariang idil gel girela kal namadung maguk pebile please.
Mr. President, in relation with climate change, I think one of the burning issue this week was about this Filipino boy who was part of the petition or a complaint before the UN regarding climate change crisis. And you probably know the issue that he was condemned for not being born in Palau, but he has been in Palau since he was 9 years old, and he's already 17. So, would you share your thoughts, and how do you feel about that?
I had an inkling that you're going to get that question from the media, but here's my not my take, but my belief on this. Climate change is a problem for everybody. It doesn't matter where you're from or whether you're Filipino or Palawan or Spanish or American. It's going to affect everybody. And climate change is already a crisis. It's not just a scientific phenomenon. We are already. Who are going to be most affected by climate change? It's the youth. It's the people of tomorrow. So they have every right to speak out what their future should be. In fact, the UN, and I'm happy that the strategy for the UN is to get these young people to stand up and say something about their future, so that maybe the leaders of today can take notice and do something more, do more than what they're doing right now. I, for one, have told the UN in my speech that it's too bad that we're not doing enough. So we hope, our hope lies in the next generation, that they will grow up and make the necessary bold decisions to make their future, not just their future, but the children of their grandchildren and the generations coming. So, yes, I want to put up this hashtag Stand with Carlos. To me, it's we need more young people to speak out about this. You know, we need to educate more people about it. That's the only way action is going to get done. Let's not say, oh, Palawan. If a Palawan can speak up, I'm sure he will speak up representing people from Guam, the youth from Guam, from Saipan, from the marshals, from FSM, because this issue is all about the youth. It's not about where you're from. That's the most important thing that I want to share. And by the way, I'm told this young boy, his parents are both Filipino, but they're working in Palau. Their parents work for CIP. So Palau is also a melting pot. We welcome people of different places to come and work. So it's not just citizens, but residents of Palau who also need to be as a one family, in one voice, speaking out. I'm glad this young boy spoke out. If he went to UN and said, no, climate change is not real, Palau president is not speaking the truth, I think I will come out and say, who are you to challenge what the people of Palau? But he came out and spoke what I would speak also. You know, that's the point here. Did he say something untrue? Is it not true that climate change is affecting the youth? Of course, every word that he said is the truth, and I want more young people of Palau to actually become involved. In fact, I'm working with the minister. She has been after me to do a youth symposium to focus on, really the climate change issue, the National Marine Sanctuary, all these issues that we think everybody is on board knowing what it is, but actually our young people are not really up to date about where we are and what needs to be done. So that's my not short, but it's my take on this, and I hope we can rest this issue. Palau is not a discriminating country. Our constitution protects everybody. It's not where you're from, but how you think as a person, as a member of society, and doing the right thing. It's all about doing the right thing. Okay. And by the way, I also need to make a special announcement on climate change action. Some of these youth are not just listening and staying put. They are doing something about it. I want to mention Alangal Musubad, ma Tony Swalablay. Tiagida Abugol Blarali, el Dadala que cree el NASA, el Osig Radava. tiang ading ilul mo na United Nations. It was very well received in Salvador. Ling kadamos beeri na school, el lonsis akra ng aligid, at an early age, mo samarial mo manangel wasi climate change a issue gid rogoy, especially ara ngayas ka. Akbal amate ngutial te al lemrenga sulel ngay gilal alangal masubot ma Tony Sualablay. I think they've in their own way tuguk mlarulia tarak aklol toy el mom sa akra arangalged in their understanding rawasing mentality gila gila del change el kukirela igel kat magil el moula a climate change at the solve real problem. Okay.
Untuk President Takari agirel tial sel amnesty el blem issue ni. Since ram issue ni direkal madir kapto agora ager rablu wasi ngarah man le agora rasional le ul kada ko adi sokalo gitte oger ragal wasi kami mo adi mos modi wasi agora man le basis se gidel el executive order lo establish sel amnesty program.
Ako ting kita madangi ada labor o ay sa tertokar undocumented laborers el ngartiam na matamalaba bilangir makadarmeng sa isir el ngartiay matay mang. I think the right thing to do by the askertil was el ako marakte bem resistir bodo dangel was in komtela el ngartiang edo si krolele da adresa atletele lauror loya ka luud el ngargira bekel silse. Anytime in kadabay o mesra problem ng ngaringi o mesra solution ng mohel pringin ngungira di daw lomol meldi iwase ngaringi adang di marara bilkol ke mrula aureor tial bladagat makli marani avekal every time ngaringi limited a period ri di kadam mestri ate alar adam correct taigal action sa tir sa mookla illegality ra aureriu ma atleta el morul enda kamul tirak lalula belur belaw yang arbelaw segi dia after this en namodeka chance ra adal I think there's a lot of good that can come out
Sila Mr. President se domestic guradir nila sa arala lura abelo maigal baby rablu adl logi usele umlubal mlorngi rablu Saudi Arabia ngwangra ngania agora sebem luwai sinil gera staru setter luriol gera renewable energy lorunia PPUC
agi astel gimit kama adra bordra PPUC en wadlal Bolmerek sa igidal RFP period, may lauror lang amlarar expert. El may olngasera PPUC review ay igidal el proposal sa rarat. Musrael nga riya awil ule kada mo ngilti ang aral kumpali base sa igidal criterial el ngara RFP ma analysis ra experts el tiro olngasera igidal matmok. Adi selamre el timing at the PUC amo mega announcement el mergid rogoy lo asen guk base at yagi del reviewer kamam laban trirar outside expert ADB mar adra Irena and Rail ayagi da mo bebir decision the look forward to el girel di Jomen Salvador seguida kamal ngungin ka mention ni seguida akantil sel dolmon belultoy ra toera oil ma fossil fuel len hindi maral mor babom dia ka karantir gidel waseng bay maral merio ilang masara 3 cents el merio at adi merio rak mung 5 cents and 6 cents gida kum la ongos aklia ara la luul imama base compare mo imama de gida madangil bekladra al sila lifetime ra Salvador remember siya dalalu ko mal diom ke karam lim ela lo $5 na yung $5 namudakan sa bedel di magera tangatan kedra aluunin. The price keeps going up. Ya arala sil sa kaya giding sil sa al makayal derbela regal na mombrekel taltela ragem mon makayal taltela ragal may it makes sense for us to get into renewables. Akmaloreng ay lasing mredal time ito kut makli.
Sula Presidenta Gultra termam sabul taga. Lato di merisail ato wert. Mr. President, ang arisel consultation meeting moringira middle October. Lobanggela bluram rigel el girela possible amendment ra compact malubeng el dadu el girela compact lobanggela bluram rigel ngani agora el das el girela agora economic assistance blam gora amlak mongongila policies bertial el dadu
may gulito mal subject ra al dadu lobanggela vice president kadam la maknar ecclesial committee ra langariya vice material other olbira lulaw appropriate ministers Umtera Governors Association I believe isa gida bla the maknara aringil committee lo sikam ako te kom direct Lawrence ngarat melgor atram rigel hindi gida direct na mo gida del open ra I get topics el gida soal del momo hindi kada base kada mo negotiate ra next month di gel guk domes lo asen le soal del labornya al do en kada mo tat sa gida area at the very least ay gida na mo gida lo das will gida the actual negotiations sana kal sebedal expect lo asen next month del mer atram rigel kada resolve protocol to it's the beginning part klon mokte gariya ka kora di orange no sing ngaramal mokte kam rigel ikada kodor orre edatyal timetable ma pela huk sabel direct mo ngayon kasi ma ulma kisimbaya silong erul kampak tamlo 9 years do ngiru era bollo sel guk mga dura tetela process wase kada maral girel.
Sula, Mr. President, ko adiga question na midan beka.
Okay, I'm sa Allah Minister.
Masulang President takti sokal law ay silwase direkal tial independence wigarigire mlani Austronesian Forum ngel Minister Council of Indigenous People Balura Taiwan Minister Paro Damlartia Lobantira Protocol Direkal Ambassador Selbesa Taiwan ma kukfen sa gidra Hawaii ng Mlartial netim ra conference yagidre language mga lol vertial tiging adara igal indigenous Balura Austronesia tiso kal mention sa mga solar bekla adal direct no sa adal kut maklisel conference al maringira September 29 on Sunday September doril ko tulurior. Yadi so kalau sa President Trabek la mo sa Lorenz Ramírez lo hace sel Hall of Fame board amle unveil sel first el Hall of Fame recipient tra Blue Bella le se oya gala alblem saying ngi mangmalungin ang ngol ngatiang oy sa the first Hall of Fame recipient tra Republic of Palawan Ezekiel Imsay ngalgel ma ni sa nephew sa ngamle receive sel award al moringil tulo dibleta unveil ngi sa reception dinner Independence Day ay gida wele del all the maklat kat tigel gupla mo dibu sa nadalong le del mingat mokrablu belam gida tial ngatial enjoy rablu ngarabu dira ka ngarato ka klangal tangat ya imesay Ezekiel angay composer, educator, sensei music, direct kalmina composer tial national anthem kita ada belal malungila tokora selma. Tiso kal mentioner segi de congratulate bakla ada belela Independence Day kuman sula.
Sulang Minister Chilton avia monda ergi de rogu il ada belal wasen deserve to be on the Hall of Fame Dial Girel Ezekiel galim siya akpay urang minister wasi makarang uror kita media school kada moswira ng legedal maral mel mutan mangal mo understand wasi ngaram le contribution rangal dia kadil national anthem ba ikal state anthems Obora Pekil State nga rin kung hindi ako state him or I gam direct lim siya milyam mabatok litak ra iglesia maalitak ra aldabe ma nga maramlet multi talented al rubakal hindi oren serkaun mga do edi bialit teklem mang aka maalitak ya ngal ka igel famous sengrang kaya wala ulmas engili gay dong ita wali ay gal dong ngal ke katamil ni tak lay gay gidi kamulya wani binistan ko
sila yung presidente.
Yeah, so anyway, maraming asulela committee, congratulate the family I must say. It's probably a long time coming. Better late than never, I guess, hindi naman. Bodos Merital press conference, Sergid, directly gamagila ministeri again, and happy Independence Day. Salvador and Visual Endra, Rengilo by akuk lulaklat redilira kasus abela directly ulmun buda tial sisil cristiano ra aderbela lege gidal values ra Christianity ege gida la lol tauta constitution ergif directly el values el gida ol taut lo aga tora klaada madalang okla. Let's never take for granted peace. Al sila blue Buddha ma omungul ma during igay require independence. Hindi ka mo malaswara klangal tang tedalo kasi gidel Cristiano al blue nga niya aklaw manar gino ulmung Buddha blue ulgum dia ka Christianity al sila blue ya kung dasing adam mabadangel directly gay gidel selbolu daka Christianity maigal lungil traditional values ma principles rasyo kang argid ma culture gid sige gida malmol kakul mong hemay ma abulwala sa bel lo makaselbadulu happy Independence Day ko man saul bodo recognize ra Joseph Joe Aitaro ra a budget rilang yung middle ra education kaya ramliga ra Palau High School Nerlinda Marebra Ira Elementary LC Werbalao Harris Elementary School Vivian Sasaora Healthcare Sara Rubario Ira Elementary School tirgay ako tugubet sel holiday tir el alsil tiga lagot mga holiday tir le weekend del me eli ye me elam direct el personal holiday tir but we wish them well. Coman Salve Clade, again, happy Independence Day.